morning. It's Friday, February 10th, 2012. This is probably, hopefully, the last video in the Tribute to Ray series. I'm going to continue on with the doings that I've been continuing on all week. Sorry everything's so boring, and sorry it's so delayed. I have to apologize to all my watchers about the last week's worth of lousy video. Anyway, on with today, and that's the way it be. It's Friday the 10th of February 2012. We're on the way to get some paint for the toolbox. Well, there's George at the DuPont drive up. He wanted to go to the bank. He's got to get medicine for Mariana and stuff like that. I think it's kind of funny. He waits in line with the cars to go the drive up because he doesn't want to go inside for some reason. Anyway, it's a nice day. It's kind of chilly. I'm hoping I can get those boxes on. I found out today, I thought he sold his ladder out in front, and a ways back I posted a video that I thought he sold it, but apparently he just found out today that it was even missing, so somebody just ripped it right off the front lawn. Pretty bad. I'm gonna get a funny shot of him. There we go. Say hi, George. Say good morning to people.
Hi.
I'm going to cut some steel out of this assembly here to use as a shim on the on the truck. 4 cuts down. Using George's Sawzall. I didn't even know he had his Sawzall that wasn't burned up. I thought he burnt that one up. Anyway, I'll just keep cutting. It looks like it's going to rain or snow. It's not really, it doesn't seem cold enough to snow. I got a scrap piece off. I already burnt out a blade, George's blade. He buys all these cheesy blades and he tells me they're all the same. Anyway, it's a little off, but it's a little bigger. Actually, it's thicker. Not very much. 1/64 inch thicker, that's fine. I'll just lean forward a little. You won't even notice 1/64 inch of lean. Here's one strip down. I'm going to have to grind it to get these little welded on pieces off. Flatten it out. Do the next. Alright, that's 2 pieces off. I'll have to clean them up. Well, it cleans up nice with the grinder, but it's kind of a pain. The weld actually etches right into the metal. Here's how it starts. I've got 1, 2, 3. I got 4 on each one, so I got 7 again. This is going to take forever. Maybe what I'll do is I'll cut these in pieces. I'll just shim it up in pieces. I don't know, it's getting kind of late. The neighbor's going to be complaining because there's a after 5 o'clock rule in this area. Maybe I'll do this in the morning. I hate risking getting caught up in the snow, though. Yeah, I think I'll bite the bullet and grind it. I'm gonna have to get hearing protection on this. Ridiculous. My ears are still ringing. Yeah, this will work perfect. I'll have to cut them off at the end here. Well, actually, I've cut it off right there before the tailgate. This will work perfect. Actually, I'll cut it off wherever the toolbox ends. I don't know where the toolbox ends. So, alright, that's it for today. That's it for this week. The weekend starts tomorrow again. I'm still trying to get set up. I don't know if I'm going to do a trip to Florida at this point. I'm going to probably take a trip within the next week or two up to Pennsylvania if funds willing. So anyway, it's been an interesting week. I'll see. Unfortunately, it hasn't been, I didn't get a job. But I have to do that soon. I'm running out of time on that. I'm going to have to get either get a job or get one of my companies profitable. Forget about the stocks. They've been milked and empty for years now, since TWX went flat and I had put it all on what I had on calls. Anyway, not sure what I'm going to do tomorrow, but I'm going to do something interesting. Probably pack down the storage units or get the pickup ready to start making runs to PA. So, have a good night.